Hi, and welcome to our first Wayback Wednesday. This is 2005. This was our first year of our haunt when we just getting started. Didn't have a whole lot, didn't look great, but it'd be fun to go back and look at some of those pictures and see what we had and where we've come from there. So, without any further ado, let's go back to 2005. Okay, here we are, back 2005. This was our first year, first haunt. You can see this is our first house. The slope of the hill here was really nice. Here's what we call the bride and groom. We still have them around, but they need some repair, so maybe we'll get those fixed up this year and have them ready for next year. We'll see. Here we are, this blue guy in the front here. We still actually have him around. And you can see a couple of the other figures in the back here. And here's a close-up. This is coffin that my father-in-law made, and these crappy skeletons, which thank God we've replaced now. And here you can see another picture of the lawn. Not much here. This guy, this ghost guy here, I kind of like that. We still have that box, but it takes a lot to get it to work right. Here's a couple of our main figures that we had that year. This green guy, I really like him, at that Haunted Mansion type of look. This guy with the Red Baron. This guy we call the like the English butler type of look, but we can't find that mask anymore. We use the bodies again, though. All these bodies we still use. Here's a nighttime picture. Again, you can barely see these guys. You can see the lighting was crappy, didn't really work too well with these old lights. Here again, you can see that it's really dark and hard to see. Our tombstones, most of the tombstones we actually still have. Some of them aren't in great shape, but we still have them. But that's another project we may take on this year, is replacing some tombstones, or maybe upgrading them, or making something nicer, making something on our own. We still have this pop-up guy here too. Here's another nighttime picture. You can see this pop-up skeleton here with the red eyes. Those use the LEDs that we talked about in the lighting episode. I made those LEDs, and here's the bride and groom also had those with the battery pack LEDs. It didn't really worked okay for a couple years, but weren't that great. And that's it for 2005. So like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Thank you.